Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to memory plan the month of April in my 7x9 Tilly Journals planner. I have this monthly kit from Plannerface, which you can use Tilly10 to save money at Plannerface because I do PR for her, so I get a discount for promoting her stuff. I've got these washies which are all simply gilded, and then I've got my stickers pulled out ready in a Plannerface reusable sticker album. So let's turn to the month. And I'm gonna get straight on and get the base down. Okay folks, so as I said in my last video where I did a little social injustice talk, at the moment I'm doing lots of little how to respond to phrases that people might say to you about sort of racial injustice, and like how to respond to some of those. This may not be the best way to respond, it's how I would respond, and yeah, but anyway, so today's little topic is when people say things like, but white people get killed by cops too, but this or this happens from cops too. So, are you telling me it's okay that you think white people are killed by cops as well? It isn't the problem that you think it is, it's not the argument you think it is. Nobody should be being killed by cops. The aim of cops is not to murder people, it is not to kill people. Like, it's just terrifying that you think it's okay that anybody is killed by the police. Like, I sort of can understand when it's a terrorist attack and killing one person will save the lives of hundreds. I can sort of understand that. But no, people should never be killed by the cops. And again, it's a problem with the way the police force is trained. Yeah, and really the problem that you're referring to, or your problem that I see that white people get killed by cops too isn't a response to, is that the pertinent problem is that black people are targeted by the police in ways that white people are not. They're victimized, they're villainized, not victimized, criminalized, yeah, and at higher rates than their white counterparts. So in black areas, this is particularly in America, in black areas there is far higher police presence than there are in white areas. And at the end of the day, whilst white people are still killed by cops, they're less likely to be racially motivated. Just because the things that happen to black people happen to white people too, it doesn't mean that the things that's happening aren't racially motivated. Just, yeah. Go and look at videos of white people resisting arrest, and that still get taken in alive, whereas one inkling that a black person might have a dangerous weapon on them and they get killed. Or, you know, they're sleeping in their bed and they get killed. Okay, so there we've got the base down, and that's the first time I've felt I had to Tipex out underneath the cover, but that's fine. Yeah. So let's get straight on with the day by day, and I will have a little zoom into the first half. So on the first, I want to mark in that I felt like I just wasted a load of time. Actually, I feel like this sticker like completely represents that, so I possibly don't need an appointment label. I might just use a strip of washi instead, straight through the middle, and I just think that's an accurate representation of that. On the 5th, I had quite a lot of fun playing some Sims, and I'm gonna use one of these birthday appointment labels and cover up the birthday. Then on the Tuesday, I had some family time, and I think I spent some time with my mum that day. Obviously we were legal and safe, just to clarify, just in case you wondered. There. And then on the 7th, I want to mark that I was having a pretty rough day. And because it was such a rough day, I've got this giant sad character sticker, which is just going to go like that, and then I'm going to layer an in my head here. On to the 8th, so this is back when the worry and panic scaredness about central venous thrombosis was going on, and we had 1,000,001 people come into A&E with headaches after their COVID vaccine, and it was very frustrating. That was there. On the 12th, I'm going to mark in something. I'm not saying what it is, but I am just going to mark it in. As usual, I just alternate whether I'm at the top or the bottom of these boxes, just for the sake of trying to fit in some full boxes. The 13th was my birthday, and I was going to use that green box, but there's a green box on the day above it, so we'll use this orange one instead. There, and for my birthday I've just got a nice big present. On the 14th, I've got 2 things to mark in. I wasn't very well, so I called in sick to work, and then I'm just going to mark something. I'm not saying what is as well. It's one of those sessions. It always seems to happen that I have nothing I can't tell you what is, or every other day there's something I can't tell you what is. I don't keep very much from people on this channel. It's not that I try necessarily to keep things from people, but it's just, yeah. Sometimes because of work and some family stuff, I can't share everything. So that's that. On the 15th, I'm going to mark in playing some Sims again, because I still wasn't very well, and I just had a chilled day playing some Sims. On to the 19th, I spent a lot of the day designing planners for the new planner release, which has obviously happened by now. Have you picked any up? Let me know if you have. I'm excited to see what people buy. The release is tonight. At the time I'm filming this video, it's actually the 30th today. In that fact, I should probably have put that in today. Maybe I will still. The 20th was the Chauvin trial, and so I want to mark that in. I couldn't decide what sticker to use for this. I debated pulling in some Black Lives Matter washi, and I think I might still do that, but for now I've just got a heart. Maybe grab some Black Lives Matter washi in a moment. The 21st, I've again got 2 things to mark in. One is a slightly frustrating thing that happened at work, which I'm going to just pop in this. So I'm going to pop in that flag, and actually I'm going to put the other thing first, which is I did some load of Enneagram testing, and I was super excited and thingy about the results that day. So that's there. For anybody that wonders, I'm a 1 wing 2 or a 2 wing 1. I'm completely equal amounts, 1 and 2. Then on Thursday I did a lot of interviewing for my VA position. I did 1 interview on the Tuesday, 4 interviews on this day, and then 1 more interview on the Friday as well. On to the last week. Sophie from My Plans put up a collab, well not a collab, a video with her husband's voiceover, and he shouted me out, and the video is just generally hilarious. If you haven't seen it, go watch it, it's excellent. Highly recommend, so I just want to mark that in. On the 27th I met with my VA over video call, just to chat about how things were going to work, and then I spent the rest of the day working on planners for the planner new release. Do I have space? Yeah, I do. Put a flag in there. Similarly, the 28th was 90% working on planner release, and similarly to how I've done that, I'm going to pop this at the bottom. How I've done before, I'm going to use one of the paper shy flat lays to mark in working on the planner release. Then on the 29th we had a chat with the Plan group and decided that we'd been thinking about it for a while, a few of us I think. We didn't really have the time or energy to put in to Plan that it deserved, and the right decision was to liquidate the company. So that's there. That's the first half, so let's turn over. Before I move on, I just want to use this Black Lives Matter washi on the Chauvin day. I probably need to pull up that that video call head. Yeah. And pop that back over there. And then, so this is from Cookie Studio Co. It's one of my favourite washis. Obviously Black Lives Matter. That's perfect. Cool. So let's turn over and look at the other half. Friday, I want to mark in that it was a rough day and also that I had a binge watch of Suits. Probably really should go in the other order, but the binge watch is going down first because that's what I need to know how fit space-wise. And then, yeah, and I'm just going to use a skinny appointment label for the other thing, which is being in my head. I kind of feel like I've not done that very justice, but it'll be fine. That's there for in my head. On the 3rd, I just want to mark in that it was a big admin day. I just had an awful lot of admin to do that day. I don't know why. It's been a very admin heavy month. So I'm just going to pop that in and I'm going to pull that higher up so that I can, because I really do need to try and fit some full boxes in on some of the days. On the Sunday, I'm just going to pop in a couple sticker. I'm not going to fully explain what it is. I'm not going to not write it in so you can read it if you really want to know. But it was just, I don't want to advertise what I'm going to write. But I mean, feel free to stop it and read it. It's not that I'm trying to hide it. I don't want to talk about it really. On the 9th is when I put out my virtual assistant application. Oh, we might be about to have a Kiara join us. So I think for that I'm going to use a flag. Sorry, my voice feels like it's about to go, so I don't know why that is. On the 10th, as it was my birthday the next week, we went to Malton Food Market Festival. I don't know, it was more of a market than a festival, but yeah. So I'm going to mark that in there. I think what I'm going to do with the 4 boxes, I'm going to have to cut some of them in half to fit them in, but we'll deal with that. And then on the 11th, I'm marking in what we're calling the blanket of truth. Soch and I had a bit of falling out, and we basically lay under a blanket and said we were going to be completely honest with each other. On the 16th, I had my implant changed, and I was also still not feeling hugely well because I'd been ill that week. On the 17th, I had a big YouTube day. Hello, darling. Are you going to let me film or are you going to sit right in front of the things? So I think for the YouTube day, to be honest, I should have just put a strip of washi through the YouTube symbol because it's pretty much obvious what that is, but maybe I'll write something. Maybe not. Maybe I'll grab this washi strip and put it underneath the quarter box and write YouTube day. Does that look dumb? Maybe, but we're going to leave it. On the Sunday, I sent emails for the people that I'd offered interviews to and also rejection emails to the people that I decided not to interview. I got way more applicants than I expected. So at first I was like, anybody can apply, don't care about experience, don't care about anything, just please somebody apply. And then I got loads of more applicants than I wanted, than I could interview. I got about 3-4 times as many as I could interview, if not more. So yeah, that was fun. On the 23rd, the kittens got spayed. I felt really bad rejecting everybody, by the way. It was really hard to make a decision. I really didn't know what to do. Hard decisions were made, that's what I'm really saying here. And also we had a Discord group chat. I think I might have to move that spaying sticker up just because of the size of my planner friends make the best friends. It's going to overlap onto the day before a little bit, but that's fine. I don't really need to write what that was, I'll hopefully remember. On the Saturday, what am I writing? Something good happened with my VA planning. I was pleased about, and I did also have to send my rejection emails because of the good thing, which was sad, but that was good, at least. I'm going to move that back down to the bottom actually, because then I can maybe put some of the full box in there. As I say, I'm probably going to have to cut up the full boxes. On the 25th, which is the last thing, I had a bit of a breakdown about something that I'm not really going to talk about, but that is what happened. So I'm just going to pop it on I don't want to use a flag because I used a flag on the day before that. Let's use this last appointment label. I seem to have run out of boxes for the first time in ages. I do realise I'm now using 2 appointment labels back to back, but there's not a great deal I can do about that. And on the 25th, I'm just going to mark in, on the 30th, that I had a huge admin day. There. So that is all of that down. So let's open her up and have a little look. So there we have before the pen, the washi, anything else. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and try and put some of these full boxes in. As I said before, I'm probably going to cut some of them up to fit them. I'll put things like the girl that can't be cut up and the wall in first, and then just go from there. Basically, I'm going to speed up and do a load of... I'm going to pop the full boxes in. I'm going to pop the full boxes in. I'm going to pop washi in, stuff like that. The usual. Oh, and write everything in, and the date dots. Basically everything. So I quickly want to apologise for all the weird cuts in this little bit. My neighbour came and knocked on my door and I didn't recognise him and it was a bit awkward, but oh well. And the kittens obviously were jumping in and out, so like the cuts haven't been as smooth as I normally try and make cuts. I also left you watching them because Kiara was just playing with the tweezers and I thought that was amusing. Yeah, so that's that. I am feeling currently quite awkward because I didn't recognise my neighbour. I just, like, you know when your head's not quite there? It was one of those moments. What I was going to say in this little bit of voiceover is that when I was pulling out the stickers for this, I felt like it was a really negative month. So like I read all my notes, memory notes, and I was like, oh god, this was such a bad month. Why am I like this? Why was it such a bad month? But like, having lived the month, I don't feel like it was as negative as my notes make out. Like, it wasn't a good month. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend it was a great month. But like, I did do loads, and I did achieve loads. And I don't think when I make my notes each day, I necessarily like register that, and I just think it's important to remember it. That just because each day seems bad, when you look back at the whole month, it might be better than you thought. So that's my little thought for this video. I don't know how I feel about it, but I know that there's been horrible moments of it, but the overall month hasn't been as horrible as my notes made out. Okay, cook. So there we have the finished spread around some kittens. Sorry, babies. Move out this frame for a sec. There we go. Now we've got the finished spread. A little viv wiggle for you there. And we had both kittens interfering with that, which made writing and sticking things down very difficult, didn't you, babies? So yeah, you saw both of them. Obviously they're in little t-shirts because they're spaying still. We're a week. We've got another week of them. So it's a fun game trying to get them back on them at least once a day. So yeah, that's what this spread looks like. As usual, I love how it came together. And as I said in my voiceover, it felt like a rubbish month as the days were going on. But looking back, actually, there's a lot of positive bits about the days. So yeah, that's all I've got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like down below if you did, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!